I'm just going to create a very quick tutorial to show you how to use the Crystal Nails Mosaic Crystal Liquid. First of all, I'm just going to take a very dark blue gel polish, and I am now going to paint this over these pre-buff nail tips. It's really important to make sure that you buff the nail tip even when just doing nail art designs. This is so the gel polish can be allowed to fully cure to the nail tip. Otherwise, if you leave the shine, it will often not fully cure and you'll get bubbling. There's my first coat. I'm now going to pop that in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. Once that's cured for 30 seconds, remove it from the lamp and apply your second coat of the same colour. Make sure that your coats that you apply are nice, thin and even, and this will help with any curing issues. As you can see, that this colour has also got a lovely shimmer to it, which will help with the effect. So I'm going to cure that for another 30 seconds. Now that's being cured, the two layers have been cured, we're going to remove that from the lamp and we are going to take the Crystal Nails Mosaic Crystal Liquid in pink. So it's a nice, deep, rich pink. We are then going to remove the excess from our bottle because we don't want to use too much, otherwise it won't dry. And we are going to paint this in the centre of the tip. So I'm going to create a band. Don't worry about your edges being really perfect because we are going to apply some magic stripes afterwards. And then I'm just turning my nail tip to the other side. So you can see I've now created that band. Now what we need to do is we need to just wait for this to start crackling. You'll probably see just at the very edges it has started to give that crackle effect. The thinner this product is applied, the quicker this crackle effect will happen. However, the thicker it is, it will take a little bit longer and you'll get different effects. We are going to use the Crystal Nails Magic Strips, and these are great because they can bend, so you can create curved shapes with these strips as well as straight. So we are going to create a band around this panel. We are going to take some tweezers and we are going to peel off the thickness strip of choice. Carefully remove it from the backing paper. And you can see here, so I'm going to line it up in the centre, add a little bit of pressure, and then curve it upwards to follow the contour line that I have created for this shape. And you can see it's created a slightly curved finish. I'm going to take some curved scissors because the nail tip is curved, so I can trim the edges, and repeat on the other side. And then we can actually use the rest of this strip on the lower part. I'm just going to place this longer bit back on the paper because I can reuse that at a later date. And then we're just going to pop a little bit of pressure, put that back into position, pop a little bit of pressure so it sticks there, and then just gently use our tweezers to curve it round again to follow the contours of the shape we've created. Be careful not to stretch or tug at it too firmly, otherwise this will tear. And you can just then use your tweezers just to smooth that out. And again, take the curved scissors. And then that is ready to apply your top coat. So you can either choose to apply a matte or a shiny finish. I'm going to go on with my Cool Top Gel, which is a non-wipe top coat, and I'm just going to apply that all over the design. Be careful and make sure that your crackle effect has finished before you apply your top coat, otherwise you may end up smudging it.